In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video section in Shopify. Let's start from your Shopify dashboard. Once you're logged into your store's admin area, you'll be on the main dashboard where you can see your orders, products, and recent activity. This is the control center for your store, and it's where you'll access the theme editor to add your video section. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the option labeled Online Store. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up the area where you manage how your store looks to visitors, including themes, blog posts, pages, and navigation. Under Online Store, you should see your current theme listed at the top. Next to that theme, there's a button labeled Customize. Click on Customize. This will open the theme editor, which lets you visually edit your store's pages and sections without touching any code. Inside the theme editor, you'll see a preview of your store on the right and a panel on the left that lists all the sections on the current template or page you're editing. Scroll through this left-hand panel until you find the subheading called Template. Under this area, you'll notice a series of sections that make up your page layout. At the very bottom of that list, there will be a blue text link that says Add Section. Click on that. When you click Add Section, a new panel or pop-up will appear with a search bar at the top and a list of available section types below. In the search bar, type the word video. This filters the list so you only see the video-related section options supported by your theme. You should now see an option simply labeled video in the results. Click on the video option. As soon as you select it, Shopify will add a new video section to your page layout, and you'll see it appear in the preview on the right. From here, you can usually choose whether to use a YouTube or Vimeo link, or in some themes, upload a video file or set a thumbnail image. Take a moment to adjust any settings you need, such as the heading or description, so the section matches your brand. Once you're happy with how the video section looks, the final step is to save your changes. In the top right corner of the theme editor, click on the Save button. Wait for the confirmation that your changes have been saved, and then you're done. Your new video section is now live on your Shopify store.